Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Autodesk Inventor tutorial number 384. So we'll learn today the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll select from the XY plane. This will be the front view. You can see here the front view. Here take the circle command. From the center point, make circle of diameter 40. Okay. Now here take the line command and make a line tangent to this and make one straight line, one line like this, here, here until here. Okay, and one center line. Now escape. Select this line, make it construction geometry. Okay, now we will define the other dimensions. Go to dimension. Here, select this line and select this top. Okay, so we will select this top end. This dimension here will be 180 mm. Okay, now define this dimension as 10 mm and define this from bottom as 110 mm. Okay, now define this as 40 mm and from here, from center, this will be 30 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here you can see all lines have dislocated. So go to vertical constraint, select the top end of this center line and select this point. Okay, now the center line is at a center point. Escape. Now we'll drag this outside. Okay, now here we want these two lines parallel to each other. So here we'll click on parallel constraint, select this line, select this line. Now go to dimension, define the center to center distance between these two as 10 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here go to tangent constraint, select this and select here. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Escape. Now here you can see fully constrained. We have completed the half of the sketch. Now we want same profile at this side as well. So go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Okay. Now here go to trim this profile and escape. Now finish sketch. Here go to extrude. We'll take here extrude of 100 mm and here I'll click on symmetric. So from center line this will be 50 this side and 50 this side. Now press OK. Now here go to the initial part. Here you have two profiles been constructed. We have constructed this profile. Now we are going to make the circular profiles. Go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. Okay, from the center point, make circle of dia 30 and make one more circle here of dia 30. From same center, make dia 20 and here also make dia 20. Okay, now go to dimension. From this center and this center, distance will be of 30 mm. Okay, escape. Now here take the vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Finish sketch, take extrude, here select this profile, select this profile. Okay, and here we'll take the asymmetric extrude. Okay, this side we want only 8 mm, so I'll make 8 mm and the other side I want 108 mm. So 100 will be this covering this dimension and the 8 mm will be outside. So this time we will take 108 mm. Rotate the profile. You can see the same profile being constructed here. Go to home. Now here go to OK. Now you can see these are closed profiles. So I want a through hole. So I'll select this top face, go to create sketch. Here go to project geometry, project dia 20. Here also project dia 20. finish sketch. Here take extrude, select both the circles, take cut, and here we will take all. So this will be the through cut. Okay, and press OK. You can see the through cuts. Now go to home. Now go to initial part. Now I want this cutout here. Go to the right view. You can see this cutout. Go to home. Go to part 2. Now for this cutout, go to origin. And here we will select the middle plane, the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again. Take here rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Define this height here as 110 mm and the width of 40 mm and the distance from this front face as 30 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude, and here I will take cut, and here we will take all. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see the cutout profile now. Press OK. OK. Now here select this face. Go to create sketch. Now I want a mounting holes. So go to rectangle and take 2-point center rectangle. Here when I drag this cursor, I'll find a green point. This will be the center point. I'll make a rectangle. As you know, all the dimension profiles are being made in solid. So I'll click here on construction geometry. So when I make the profile, these will be constructed in dotted lines, the reference profiles. Now turn it off. Okay. Now escape. Go to dimension or just go to vertical constraint. Here I will find a center point of this small rectangle and click here. So this is defined. Now go to horizontal constraint. I'll find this yellow center point and select this point. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Now here go to 3D model. Take here hole command. I'll take here a tapped hole and I'll define the standard as isometric profile. And the size of hole will be 10 mm. So the design will be M10 into 1.5 mm pitch. Okay. Now here I'll click on this point, this, rotate here this point and select this. So this will be a through wall profile and press OK. You can see the cosmetic threads here. Okay. Now go to home. Now here go to fillet command. Take fillet radius of 3 mm. Go to edge selection. Select all the corner edges. These two. Okay. This and this. Rotate. Here this and this. Now rotate the profile again. And I'll select the bottom edges also. This. Rotate this and this. Now press OK. Go to home. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now I'll define the appearance from here. I'll take the violet color. So this will be the violet appearance. Or select this face and select this inner face. From here we'll take the aluminium finished. Take aluminium polished. Now you can see the profile. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.